Hi everyone, and welcome to our latest video showcasing the latest. The Struck Verix 4500 is a high-quality cultivator designed for farmers and agricultural professionals looking to prepare fields for planting and improve soil quality. This machine features 6 cultivator tines, which can be adjusted to suit the needs of the specific field and crop. It also comes equipped with Diabolo rollers, which provide a highly effective soil compaction system. Bauer Aquaspin is a type of irrigation system that utilizes rain guns or sprinklers to water fields. These machines are designed to distribute water evenly over large areas, making them ideal for irrigating agricultural crops. The Bauer Aquaspin system works by attaching a series of sprinklers or rain guns to a rotating arm that's mounted on a tower. The Diegelmann Rock King is a heavy-duty rock picker designed to make clearing rocks from fields an efficient and easy process. This machine is ideal for farmers and contractors looking to save time and money while maximizing productivity. The machine is equipped with a large, high-capacity hopper that can hold a large number of rocks, and it features a hydraulically driven reel that rotates and collects rocks. Tractors are commonly used for digging trenches in various industries, including agriculture, construction, and utilities. With their powerful engines and hydraulic systems, tractors can easily dig trenches of various depths and widths, depending on the equipment attached to them. GXXD6 is the smallest piling rig in the market, designed to work in extremely tight spaces, limited headroom, and job sites difficult to access. It's equipped with a powerful engine and hydraulic system that provide high torque and speed, allowing it to drill through even the toughest soil and rock formations. Swagbot is a real shepherding robot. It's designed for monitoring and grazing agricultural animals. It's an electric ground vehicle that can traverse rugged terrain and avoid natural obstacles, such as trees and rocks. The robot is especially useful for remote grazing areas because it can be used in areas that may be dangerous for farmers. The robot can even analyze the health of animals using temperature sensors or movement sensors. The K-Tech Scraper is a highly advanced and versatile machine used in construction and mining operations. It's designed to efficiently move large volumes of soil, gravel, or other materials quickly and easily. The modernized K-Tech Scraper has a range of features that make it highly efficient, including advanced hydraulic systems, durable cutting edges, and precise controls. It's also highly versatile and can be used in a variety of conditions, including wet and uneven terrain. This machine is designed to remove aquatic weeds and debris from water bodies. The machine is operated by a crew of trained professionals who navigate it through the backwaters, collecting weeds and debris as they grow. The collected material is then deposited onto a barge or other vessel for disposal. New Holland and John Deere are both well-known manufacturers of agricultural machinery, including tractors. Both brands offer tractors with powerful engines and advanced transmission systems that provide high torque and efficient power delivery. However, John Deere has a wider range of models with higher horsepower and advanced features like GPS guidance and automated steering. Which vegetable farmer would not like a way to control weeds without using poisons? With FarmDroid, it's possible. 2 Danish farming brothers have developed a robot to do the work. And that's not all. The robot also plants seeds and it runs on solar power. So no fuel bill and no pesticide bill. California-based Krinkloff Farm Services Incorporated has unveiled the world's first self-contained sprayer that can be used in gardens. GUSS Global Unmanned Spray System is designed to improve the efficiency and effectiveness of spraying operations by eliminating the need for human operators. The system uses advanced sensors and mapping technology to create a detailed map of the area to be sprayed, and then autonomously navigates through the field, spraying crops with precision and accuracy. The French startup Vidibot has developed the Bacchus robot, which is designed for work in vineyards. The versatile and all-electric Bacchus robot can fight weeds and treat and spray vines. It's expected that the machine will perform other tasks in the future. The absence of a cab reduces the center of gravity, which allows you to work on steep slopes. Due to its size and light weight, the robot consumes little energy and reduces soil compaction. Rayco stump grinders are powerful machines designed to quickly and efficiently remove tree stumps. These grinders are used by professionals in the landscaping, forestry, and construction industries to clear land, prepare building sites, and improve the aesthetic appearance of properties. Nicknamed Balehawk, the conceptual autonomous bale mover is designed to move bales from where they are dropped on the field to the field's edge or to a storage area. Once an operator has programmed the robot where to work, a suite of sensors, including a Velodyne and a SICK LiDAR sensor with a visual camera in between, helps the robot locate bales in the field. The Beet Harvester Tiger 8 is one technological advancement that is helping farmers achieve greater efficiency and productivity in harvesting sugar beets. It's a self-propelled machine that's designed to lift and separate sugar beets from the soil. It's equipped with a series of advanced features, including automatic steering, high-resolution cameras, and adjustable lifting system. The Tiger 8 is also equipped with a cleaning system that can remove excess dirt and debris from the sugar beets. The New Holland Grain Corn Harvester is a highly efficient and productive machine that is specifically designed to harvest grain corn. It comes with a powerful engine that provides the necessary power to the machine, allowing it to operate smoothly and quickly. The harvester is designed with a large capacity grain tank that enables it to harvest and store large amounts of grain corn. The harvester is designed with a specialized header that's equipped with multiple rows of knives. The Big Bud KTA 525 is a powerful agricultural tractor that was manufactured by the Big Bud Company in Montana, USA, and was specifically designed for large-scale farming operations. The tractor is equipped with a 525 horsepower, 6-cylinder diesel engine, which provides the power and torque necessary for heavy-duty tasks. The KTA 525 has a top speed of around 25 miles per hour, making it suitable for both field work and transportation. The Agrimeter SRS 1200 is a highly precise instrument that is used to inject liquid fertilizer directly into the soil, providing plants with essential nutrients for growth and development. The distribution system is made up of hoses and nozzles that are used to inject the liquid fertilizer into the soil. The tank is used to store liquid fertilizer, while the pump is used to move the fertilizer from the tank to the distribution system. The German company Nexat is preparing to launch a universal tractor on the market that will combine the capabilities of all major agricultural machines. The tractor will be powered by a hybrid engine that can run on both diesel and electric power, making it an environmentally friendly option. It'll also have a spacious cabin with ergonomic controls and comfortable seating for the operator. One of the most significant advancements in slurry spreading technology is the development of umbilical spreading systems. These systems use a series of hoses to transport the slurry from storage tanks to the application site, reducing the need for heavy machinery and minimizing soil compaction. The system is controlled by a computer, allowing for precise application rates and ensuring that the slurry is spread evenly across the field.